Hello everyone, today we will learn about the very trending topic, raise seed capital for your startup and grow. Seed funding for startup plays an important role in the long-term success. The biggest challenge lies in the fact that these startups are at the idea stage and they need a lot of courage to convince the investors. Investors are a group of individuals, serial entrepreneurs and former CEOs with a track record of bringing a business public. Seed funding is the most crucial stage for every early stage startup. The timing and manner of seed funding ensures the longevity of your business venture. Let's sum up the solution to your questions of how to raise seed capital, which includes best time to raise seed capital, how to attract investors, be investment ready, target potential investors, showcase your business revenue, corporate seed funds and incubators. Let's know about these solutions in depth. Best time to raise seed capital. Seed funding has now become a default option for your doubt of how to raise seed capital for your new business idea. You can look out of your seed funding for your startup as soon as the idea is ready to make a pitch to the right investors. The business idea requires a meticulous business plan, optimized market research, leading to a better roadmap for the development of the product. Before pitching for investment, the product must be market ready. The startup owner should be accountable for the proof of concept to display the future of your business idea. How to attract investors? Getting the right investment is not an easy task. A well-planned approach and a systematic future layout to grab the best investment from the potential investors provide a solution to your quest of how to raise a seed capital and help you attain the desired growth in your business expansion. You have to get yourself in a position to gain the attention of the investors. Be investment ready. The specified projections must be ready in hand before diving into seed funding process. You have to be ready with your funding requirements and your further plans to allocate the resources. The investors demand a detailed cost projection to test your skills of skipping any unfair deal. The investor round is a test of your credibility with an adequate solution to your doubt of how to raise seed capital. Target potential investors. It is important to identify your potential investors to get seed funding for your startups. The business already in operation faces fewer difficulties as compared to a new business idea. You have to be in line with your commitments. Try to be ready with reasonable provisions on your commitments. Provide a pre-analysis for your minimum amount and other necessary stipulations. Make the investors willing to negotiate through the outstanding business opportunities in your proposal. Showcase your business revenue. An ongoing business generating revenue through the startup has better prospects of attaining seed funding from investors. This report displays the demand for your product or service and opens the way for more projections. It is easy to gain attention of investors to get seed funding for your startup through crowdfunding or individual investors without getting into any complex process of seeking external funds in the form of debt. Corporate seed funds and incubators. Mega corporations and tech giants such as Apple, Google, Intel, etc. are ready to invest for the new innovations in the industry. The new innovation gets investment and bigger visibility for the product as well. Incubators, on the other hand, are small investors with the provision of office space or any training for the startups along with their investments. Startups should prepare well for the solution to their troubles of how to raise seed capital before facing the investors in the seeding round. You have to be creative with your strategy and be readily available with any extra effort whenever required to get seed funding for startups. Thanks for watching us. For more such informative videos, do subscribe our YouTube channel and also follow our Instagram page.